And good morning, this is Natalie with Discover Real Estate. They're working on another street in town, improving it. So I am on the street that goes by the municipal market right here. And this street goes down past Republica and Maggie's Steakhouse and stuff, and then down, it ends at the corner at La Tostaderia. And just up the street is the Ban Central Bank, La Feast Ban Central, Monchi's Pizzas here in the corner. They're putting in new water lines and everything. And hopefully they're getting close to getting ready to pave it, because this has been under construction for a couple of weeks now. But let me just walk down here and show you this. So it's just a 2-block stretch of street, but it's almost ready to be paved. So you can see where they've put in new lines and stuff. So town is improving a little bit by little bit by little bit every day. And here I am at Ical and SOS Deli. And the street continues and goes to the ocean. So the ocean is just down at the end of the street. I love my life. Come join me.